Hello everyone, and this is the love reading for the zodiac sign of Leo from 9th to 15th of August. And it may not resonate with each one of you. Please take whatever resonates with you. The cross watchers can also take the story from it. Actually, I've already taken out the love cards for you, and now let's start. Now, these are the love cards. This is for you, Leos, and this is for your person. This is a very beautiful card. It says, "My beloved, though we may be physically apart, spiritually we are always united. For love transcends time and space. Nothing is missing." So I feel, Leos, that you people are separated maybe, and your person is really missing you, and but they are energetically connected to you. And this is the message of your person: manifesting miracles. Your dream is soon to become reality. Trust your heart and continue to follow its guidance. So this actually means that you are trying to manifest some sort of you are soon to be united with your partner. It is manifesting your dreams. That means you want to be with your partner here. This is what I have for Leos. Now let's begin. What are the cards for you? You might soon be together. You two may be soon together, and this is what it is. Now let's see what it is. Okay, what are the cards saying for you, Leos? Okay, now these are for the sign of Leo. This is the Leo season also. Now this is your recent past, the King of Swords. Then this is your present moment, the Two of Wands, exactly Two of Wands. This is your near future, and this is your challenge, and this is your advice. All right, Leos, the first card in the recent past is King of Swords. You could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra, and some sort of truth and communication came out before you. Your person must have communicated something to you which was very logical, and that is why maybe you people separated to go your separate ways. You people separated from each other. Now in the present moment, you have Two of Wands. So I told you, as this shows that you are separated, you definitely are separated from each other and trying to make a choice also, but soon you will be coming back in the near future maybe, and you have got a choice to make here. I think you've already made a choice here. Now in the near future, you have the Judgment card here. So there would be, you are at crossroads maybe. You have to, this is a karmic card, very powerful card. Judgment card is a karmic card and a very powerful card. So you may be, at crossroads. You will take a decision. You will judge yourself. You will judge your situation, and then you will be taking a decision. You might take a decision to come together. You might be married also. So you might be wanting to leave your family and come back together, something like that. Now in your challenge, you have the Ten of Wands here, which shows that you have a lot of responsibilities on your head. You have a lot of burden on your shoulders, and maybe you people are married. So that is why your challenge is to come out of those burdens. You must release those burdens in order to come together. And those responsibilities, you have to complete those responsibilities. And your advice of Ten of Swords. Now Ten of Swords is a rock bottom card. It is a card of suffering. It is a card of lot of hurt, and it is a card of lot of hurt, lot of suffering. But your advice is to release this suffering, release this pain, release this hurt, whatever you must be having, okay, in order to come together, in order to forgive your person. So this is what it is telling me, that you need to release some sort of pain, whatever you had. Now let's see what is there for your person, Leos. So you need to, your person wants to manifest miracles. That is, you want to come together in the near future, and for whatever reasons you people are separated, and you people seem to be, uh, married also. You have different spouses also maybe. So now let's see what is this thing for your partner. Now this is your recent past. Okay, it's Two of Wands here. Then in your present moment, you have the Six of Cups here. This also came out. This is your near future. In the challenge section, you have, this is your challenge, and your advice is the King of Pentacles here. Okay, so your person, Leos, you also have Two of Wands here, and they also have Two of Wands here. They are in the recent past, they have the Two of Wands. That is, they have to make a choice there, and definitely you people are separated. But in the present moment, there are a lot of memories regarding you. They are thinking about you, and a lot of nostalgic memories are there for each other, and very, very nostalgic memories, very loving memories also are also with each other. This may be a past life connection also, soulmates. And in the near future, the truth shall come out. You will cut through all obstacles in the near future. Now, Ace of Swords is all about cutting through obstacles, truths coming out, honesty, clearing the air. And what I feel that in your challenge, your person has Two of Swords here, which means that they are torn between two choices. They have to make two choices in the near future, and they are not able to see the reality. This is what it is telling me. And in the advice, you have Knight of Pentacles in the reverse, which means that they are not taking any action. They are supposed to take action. They are simply not doing anything, to come towards you. They are doing nothing to come towards you. So the advice is that they should take action to come towards you. So this is your reading, Leos. I hope you liked it and you resonate with it. And thank you for tuning in, and bye-bye.